Today I'm going to make a winter delicacy which is very popular in the north of India. That is Bathua Saag. And trust me, I'm going to make it in the most simple and home-style way that I can. So let's quickly begin with the recipe. Let's see the process of cleaning the Bathua leaves. So this is one bunch of the Bathua leaves. I'm just going to cut off the stems. And now we just need to quickly pluck these leaves. Wash the Bathua leaves at least 2 to 3 times with water. After rinsing it, remove them from the water. And now these leaves are ready to be boiled. Once the water starts boiling, add in a pinch of salt. Next, add in the fresh Bathua greens. Let the leaves boil for 3 to 4 minutes. The leaves seemed cooked. Let's drain out all the water. This process also helps in getting rid of any kind of bitterness from the leaves. Let this cool down for a few minutes. Add in a few cubes of ice in a grinder. This will help in cooling down the Bathua quickly, also to retain the color. Grind this into a coarse mixture. As you can see, it's not a smooth puree. And now let's quickly start making the masala for it. Add in 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Add in the whole spices, bay leaf, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida. I have some red and green chilies, so 1 dry red chili as well as 2 to 3 green chilies roughly chopped. Saute these ingredients for a few seconds. 1 onion finely chopped. Saute the onions for a few seconds. Add in 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Fry all these ingredients till the onions are translucent and soft. Next, add in 1½ tomatoes finely chopped. Add in some salt. Cover and cook the tomatoes till they are nice and soft. Give it a stir and mash the tomatoes slightly. Cook this for a few more minutes. Once the onions are nice and soft, let's add in the dry spices. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander cumin seed powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. 1/2 teaspoon of kitchen king masala and 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. Cook the masalas for a few seconds. And now add in the Bathua puree. Give this a good mix. Add in a little bit of water. Add in a teaspoon of roasted gram flour, or you could even add in a teaspoon of maize flour. This will help in bringing the entire vegetable together. This needs a little more water. Bring it to a final boil. Turn off the flame. Our Bathua Saag is ready. Top it up with some fresh white butter, or yellow butter is fine too for that extra richness. Serve it with the flat bread of your choice like makki, roti, naan, paratha, anything is good. Do try this at home. This is very homely. Comment below, subscribe to Rajshri Food, and this is Chef Ruchi signing off.